We're recording. Hello, everyone. It's Thursday, and Chris and I talked about it, and we noticed we had a bunch of extra oils lying around collecting dust. And I thought, it'd be kind of fun to do a throwback Thursday. Let's talk about those oils that are like one-offs that are not always on the market for us, that are just bonus oils that doTERRA loves to give to their most loyal customers. So today on our Throwback Thursday, we're going to talk about Palmorosa and Hanoki. So Palmorosa is this beautiful little cute bottle. It's kind of have a little, it's not even a rose. A lot of people think it's a tree, or because of the palm, the name of it, or a rose plant, but it's actually not. It comes from a grass that is dried and then steam distilled. The grass grows about 10 feet tall. Its main constituent is geraniol, which is the same aroma constituents as rose, and it's used in most skin for skin scars. You can diffuse or add to your favorite skin or face or moisturizer. So I didn't have much information on this one, but I thought that was interesting that it doesn't come from a tree or a rose plant, that it's actually a grass. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So Chris, can you share us a little bit about Hanoki?
Hanoki is, I can see the name. Hanoki is, comes from Japan. It is the Hanoki tree. And I'm going to read this a little bit because it was really interesting, and now I understand why this one is so rare for us to get it. The Hanoki tree actually is, the wood is really, really incredibly durable, and there's actually, there's a pagoda in Japan. It's the Horyuji Temple. It was built in 600 AD that's still standing, made out of this wood. So that's pretty cool. It also makes it, the Japanese don't allow the essential oils to be processed from these trees unless the tree has fallen. So it makes it much rarer oil to produce. Let's see here. So it's an extremely gentle oil, so it makes it really good for people with sensitive skin, or like if they have sensitivities to some of the other evergreen oils. It's a fresh, woody balsamic scent, and it's relaxing and soothing. And let's see, you can diffuse it aromatically, or just a couple drops in your hand and inhale deeply. It's really a nice, nice relaxing scent you get from that, and feeling topically they say to your feet and your back and chest before bed, which I'm going to try that, or in your bath water, a few drops in your bath water, or your skincare routine, so you can add it to your skincare, your moisturizers and stuff. It also says you can add 4 to 5 drops to your hardwood floor cleaner and use it to clean your floors. So that's Hanoki.
Oh, that's amazing. I kind of wish I got that one, but did not. Okay, well, that's it, you guys. Every Thursday we're gonna come to you and talk about these little extra bottles that we get from doTERRA, so that you know what to do with them when you get them. All right, have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you next week. Take care.